Satellite imagery in Soar is a joy to work with. I use it all the time. This is how I get my satellite imagery now. It's really a slick system. I love it. So if you go to the Satellites tab, you get 4 different options as to where you can get satellite imagery. The first 2 are paid services, companies. I don't use those that much. I find they're kind of expensive, but it's there if you're a professional with a budget. You can get down to 50 centimeter pixel resolution, so that's pretty good. I use the Sentinel Hub primarily, but you can also get NASA Landsat information as well, even up to Landsat 9 now. So, Sentinel gives you 10 meter per pixel resolution. I'm going to show you how to grab that imagery. It's really pretty easy in some coming videos. It's really a great way to be able to access this data and load it up and grab images very quickly, load it up into QGIS, and it's all georeferenced, and it's great. So let me just do a quick one here. Grab an area of interest. I draw a box, and depending on which data product you're using, the resolution will change, but I can get a view image here. This is from June 8th, so that's a week ago in my time. And so you can really look at things over time. You get a new image every 5 days, right? So that's pretty cool. I also have, for the Sentinel, I have the true color, which is what I'm looking at here. I also have false color. If I want to do some other analysis, NDVI will analyze crop health, naturalized difference of vegetation index, geology, and radar for other studies. I use the true color almost all the time. And you'll notice, it's pretty good resolution. It's nice and consistent all the way through the image, which is nice. The colors are a little bit dull. I'll show you how to bring those out and make those pop in a future lecture, so you can download those and really kind of make those colors shine and do what you need them to do. So so that's it. Next we'll get into how to actually grab a good image, a good single image, and then multiple images if you have a larger space to deal with using Sentinel-2 data.